everyone, and welcome again to Mom and Me Digital and our South Africa is Lekker community. And number three, drum roll please. This is awesome, you guys. You can actually earn an affiliate commission by inviting others to the community. How freaking awesome is that? By just connecting with fellow South Africans from all over the globe, we can actually earn an income by referring others.
And to think that you can join for as little as $3 per
Yes.
month or $50 for a year, mind blowing. It's
Awesome.
all about the numbers. It's getting those people in. It's getting South Africans to join. And I think we would love to see 1,000 people and then 5,000 people and 10,000 people. And would it not be nice to be one of the biggest school communities?
Oh, yes, and compete in those school games, right?
Yeah. So if you want to make an extra income before Christmas, join school and get those family members to join. You see, that's a good idea. This can be your Christmas gift. Tell them, I know what I want for Christmas. I want to join school, and let them actually enroll you.
How cool is that? That's such a nice idea. Today, I'm sharing with you guys and with Mom. I actually had a call with one of our team members, who's one of our ladies inside our community, also part of our SA's Lekker community. And we were brainstorming some ideas because I said to her, SA's Lekker is not just my community and Mom's community. It's our community. So, guys, like and subscribe and go and join our SA is Lekker community. The link is in our profile.